The front doors, how are they handling all the flex?
You'll see that in a minute when you go outside.
Yeah. Sure to give them the light. Crazy windy. This is different.
Yeah,
I think I remember last time you had a C pillar, now you're a B pillar.
Yes, sir. This is a complete guest build, Jacob. The whole thing is a guess.
Nothing wrong with that.
If you ask me for specs or any kind of tuning, I can't give you the answer.
What's your rear before? Is it the exact same box as before?
Yes, same one.
Okay.
So that was 24.
Okay.
From what I remember.
Yeah. So your rear chamber is still tuned at like 21, 19 to 21, or if I remember right?
I don't know.
I think you told me 24 at one point.
If you remember, then you remember, but it's been such a long time.
And this is a unique style port that you did. How did you make this?
So I got some, there's a tubing for what is it called? It's a tubing for concrete. It's 12 inches around, and I cut it to fit the way I wanted to fit on there.
Yeah.
I had to close it a little bit more port to get the kind of tuning I wanted.
Yeah. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Yeah, buddy.
What's up, man?
What's going on, man?
Wow.
But yeah, man, she does work now. It's a little bit different than before, man.
Is it windier than before?
It's a lot windier.
Really?
Yeah.
You were already windy.
Yeah.
So what is your name? Like I don't know, and your equipment. Go ahead, man.
Hey, man. Yep, boy. His name is Hayden Price. You can find me anywhere. It's not hard to find me. This is a 2000 Chevy Blazer. I got 4 Hayden 15s right here, XV3s. 175 amp hours of Yingling. I got DS18 everything. I did change the alt. There was a 250 to a 290 my Singer. Yep. We charging real nice now. I mean, we are 16 volts.
That's pretty good.
Complete guess.
And you don't have to worry about your back doors flexing as hard as they used to.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, tearing apart. Yeah.
Yeah.
But the front doors, how are they handling all the flex?
You'll see that in a minute when you go outside.
Yeah. Awesome. Yeah, I'm gonna check out your amps and
Yes, sir.
enjoy the day, man.
All right.
Hey, what's up, bro?
Yeah, man.
Are you here tomorrow? You got your system on too, right? I know, I was like,
First time I didn't bring it in 5 years. And it's only 118 now. So you pretty much just built from the front forward. The back you didn't touch.
Everything is all the same.
Yeah.
Got some treated wood, some 2x4s, and some MDF, because you know I like that density.
Yeah. So it's probably about a 1 to 1.3 or so, 1.5. I don't know if you
You tell me. I don't know.
looking at it based off of this in the front, it's probably almost a 1 to 1, but a little bit bigger in the front.
Yeah. Good times, man.
Looks good, man. Nice job.
Appreciate
Thanks for showing me.
Yes.
Sure to give them the light. Crazy windy.
Going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed that full walk around we just got of Hayden's insane demo monster. 6th order, 4 15-inch subs. And actually, I went and put the thumbnail here. This is how his previous system looked. The same box on the back end, but of course, he went to a B-pillar 6th order. So check out the description if you want to see that video. I like the layout of his port. Really good tuning for a low end response. I think he said it was around the low 20s, but he doesn't know all the specs. But there's nothing wrong with that. Trial and error, and he did a really good job. So shout out to him. Give him a like and comment what you like about his system. So if you notice the way that outside port is, there is an outside loading wall. He still has a little bit of tweaking and fine tuning to it. And any little thing you do will really drastically affect your tuning and output. So always try to trial and error adjusting port. And you're going to see these subwoofers pretty much get to X max on these 24,000 watts total RMS in this system. They are two of the 12Ks. I'm pretty sure he has them at half ohm each, but I didn't find out that information. Sorry about that. And if you notice the way he actually had a fan for cooling to keep his amps cool, optimize his space, really building that wall line baffle all the way right next to the door, so optimizing the amount of cubic space he got in his enclosure as well. I'm pretty sure he's probably got at least 45 to 50 cubes in this box between the front and back cabin of his Blazer. So we're getting to the demo now. 24,000 watts on 4 15-inch subs and a 6th order. Crazy flex with a 4-minute demo. Welcome to my channel. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already for daily car audio videos coming your way every day, and enjoy this crazy demo.
All right, you ready for this, man?
Yeah, man.
All right, let's do it.
Way different. And it doesn't fall off after a minute, man. I just solid, just keep going.
Yeah.
Nice job, man.
You know, complete guess.
And you don't have to worry about your back doors flexing as hard as they used to.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, tearing apart. Yeah.
Yeah.
But the front doors, how are they handling all the flex?
You'll see that in a minute when you go outside.
Yeah. Awesome. Well, thank you for the demo, Hayden.
Man,
Nice.
anytime, dude.
Yeah.